Want insane photorealism and better text in your AI art? The new Qwen Image 2512 is a game changer. Today, I'll show you exactly how to install the optimized GGUF version on ComfyUI fast. Let's dive in. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then, clone the extension. Then, we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will use the built-in prompt. We will run the workflow. If you encounter an error like the one in the video, just click Run Again. The resulting images are very beautiful and realistic, giving the feeling of being taken with a phone. I will try a different prompt. And that is how you unlock next-level details with Qwen. If this workflow helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more ComfyUI tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any errors. Catch you in the next one.